Hello, and welcome to Better Safe Now, where your safety is our top priority. I'm Matt Kim, and today we're going to start a series of videos that goes over our commonly asked questions. Questions such as, what type of mask should I buy? How do we know a certain mask is legitimate? What are the difference between masks? Various questions regarding the ordering process, how certain products have been tested, as well as other questions regarding other types of PPE. We hope that this video series can truly help you in making your best decision, as well as create a forum where we can communicate more frequently, more often, as well as have an open discussion about the various products that we sell. The videos will be uploaded into a playlist. Feel free to browse the playlist or the videos to find the answers to the questions you are looking for. And if there's something specific that you would like to know, feel free to leave a comment on the bottom and we'll create a video specific to that topic. As always, you can reach us on our website or feel free to shoot us an email, which will respond within 24 hours as well. Thank you. Have a great day.